Cooking for Gamers with Chef Nathan, Smile, and him being cool. What up, me guys and Miguel them? It's Tai Chi back here with another cooking video for you. Now, it is steak with some curry rice. See, the curry rice is already on. Now, we're just going to do this in like, as usual, how we do it, like a wok, you know. We have our red onions, butter for the steak when we put it in, the rice there, you know. Our sauces, what we're going to use as the regular sweet chili, and then we have some barbecue chicken and rib. Now, it's going to be real easy, real quick. Going to start off with the onions because we need to get those in, but we will have you guys watch, and this time I'll put you guys here so you can see directly what's going on. All's well. Okay, perfect. It's a little shaky, but that's okay. We'll just make sure it doesn't fall over. Like I said, we got to get the onions in first. Let them get all caramelized and delicious. And then we got to get the steak all cut. Get that in, so we can get everything together. But other than that, we'll be good. But I was hungry, was streaming Catcher out earlier. Stop that so you can make some food. Get back to the Tech Rat stream later, but need to get some food in ya. Always got to make sure to stop, take a break, and eat, because you know, got to keep that energy high. Now, I'm going to get the butter in the wok. Turn that bad boy on. Turn the rice up real quick. And while we wait for the wok to get a little bit hot, we are going to put this in here. So, get this all together. Now we have the steak to get done. And I need to wash my hands. I just slice it down real easy. This has been marinating again for like probably like a week or so. I just have them in the freezer sitting there because, you know, buy a bunch, marinate, cook later. So it has all the flavor of everything in it. It's pretty delicious. As you can see, like, see all the delicious flavor. Yeah, all up in there. Exactly. Just sliced up, and I cut it like this because instead of cooking it full, sliced up and cut it up like this, and then smaller pieces. One, easier to eat because I usually like to eat with chopsticks, and then two, I can split it up easier for more meals rather than just one meal. Now, little pieces. And we got the fatty pieces, but okay, I cook them too. Eat that up too. All them pieces. All them pieces. It smells so delicious. It's because it's so marinated and it's like, oh my lord. Wish you guys could smell this. It's not even cooked yet. Dum 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 dum. And I can hear that butter. So it's about time to get the butter in, or the onions in. So let me wash my hands again. Get you guys off the meat. And now we're gonna add onions. Now, sorry guys. Now just to get those caramelized and delicious looking. Plenty of onions. I love my onions. Like I said, no other stuff I really use. But that's the thing, like this is really only cooking for me. So I don't really cook much of anything else other than chicken, steak, and rice, and sometimes like noodle stuff. But like it's mainly just like chicken and steak. Sorry, focus wasn't on that well. But yeah, so with that being said, more stuff will be out later because I plan on doing a mother and son cooking thing with my mother because she has her own channel of cooking and whatnot. But that will be for later. But now let's see if we can set you guys up over here though. There, so now you guys can view easily like that. See, figure out ways around these things. So while we are cooking this, I will somewhat try and get some more light up in this. Actually, I actually can. Hold on. That should be better. There we go. More light to be seen. There. Now, what's happening can be seen. There we go. Now that this is caramelized and good, well, looking good, we don't want it to get too far because we have the steak to add. Look at that. Look at that. Delicious. Now I want to turn that down. I have that at like a 6 right now, so turn that down to the 6 so it can cook the steak. I don't really care to really cook my steak too far through, because you know, the steak, I like my red. I like my redness. So we can check the rice over here. You see it's bubbling like crazy. Yeah, see that steam? Can't really see in there, but it's getting there. It's getting there. Then turn that bad boy up. But back to the meat. There we go. Now, this being said, now we're going to add our sauce. Already going in, going well. First, the chicken and rib sauce. I'm going to mix that in. dip it all in everything. And then slather it with sweet chili. Love that sweet chili. There we go. Good look, good look. Beautiful. So now that you guys have watched the basic process of how I do my things, and I got better lighting too. Now here, let's check the, see, there's the rice, you know? But now they got better process of it and better lighting and everything. I'm figuring everything out as I go. Things will get better for you guys, but I'll come back when it is fully done, show you the plating, and thank you. Mwah! Peace. Well, for now, be back. Welcome back. So, thank you, and here we have it. The finished product. I know it's kind of, here we'll get a bit of light. So yeah, there it is. So we got the curry rice, the steak with the onions. I added some cheese on top of that, you know how it looks. Looks good, don't it? That's right. But thank you very much for coming in if you watch the whole video. I'll get more out, better videos, better content, better stuff, more streams, more everything. But I got a new channel just for my streams, so go check it out. It's right on the old one. Just go follow, you know. Thank you guys. Love you all. Peace out. I'm out.
We niggas don't. That's why you see us on the hustle with the nanoscopes. Leave us folks. That's what a ratchet do. Now he choking on a barrel like his grandma's spoon. Like his grandma's spoon. How the homeboy choking on a barrel like his grandma's spoon.